Yo, what y'all on? We back outside out here. So today I'm about to show y'all that S2000. Bear with me, it's definitely a project. It's got a lot of problems. It's all good, we're gonna get it together. I ain't really looked at it real hard, like I haven't dove into it at all. We're about to be figuring it out together, so let's go ahead and head out there right now. Go check it out one time. Oh, that right there? That ain't looking right. I don't even know what's going on here. Fire motor. Motor go crazy. Windshield. Driver door. Crazy. Goes crazy. No cluster. The dash is there. I haven't really looked in here at all, so I don't really know what's going on in here, but I'll probably start pulling this stuff out. I feel like a lot of the stuff is here already, like interior wise. Yo, that's that stand. You know? Okay, center console. Okay, wait a minute, we might be in the game. So we're gonna go through all this and figure out what I have and what I don't have, and it seems like a lot of it's here. So that's good news. Let's pull stuff out, I guess. Let's get out of here and see if we can figure out. Okay. What's going on in here? Okay. See, that's the problem, Terry. We ain't got no axles, Terry. It's you. You the problem. You the problem, child. You feel me? This. All right. So yeah, we got some stuff to do under here. Yeah. Open. Oh Lord. Okay, one of the hinges has no bolts in it. Pick it up. Alright, spare tire cover thingy. Alright, got a fan. Okay. Got another fan. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get this seat. But be right back in 1 second. Alright, so the seat's out. Kind of wear gloves in here. Like, this is looking kind of wild. There's a mask right there. Okay. All right, we got pedals. All right, clutch, brake. No throttle though. I don't know if that's in here somewhere or not. It probably is though. Okay, no, there it is right there. That's the throttle. Okay. Miscellaneous bolt. Yo, one of these bolts might be the bolt that goes to that I can hinge, like, you know, put in the hinge. So that'd be cool. Alright. Got condenser. I think I even see door panels in the back plastics and everything. Like, that's kind of lit, yo. All right, hold on. I'm about to pull this stuff out, see what we got. Oh, there's a dome light? The stock radio? This ain't even kind of connected. Okay. This is not as bad as I thought. All right, I got a lot of the stuff out. Surprisingly, it doesn't seem as bad as I thought it was gonna be, you know? Like, I think I have a lot of the pieces. So, but yeah, this is what we're starting with. Just want everybody to see. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work for sure, but I think we'll be all right. No fenders, and yeah, this is where we're at so far. Not terrible. I mean, it's bad, but we can do it. I got a really good price on this, so like we'll take it for what it is. All right, so in the trunk I found the wiper arms And looks like a brake caliper. I think all the calipers are on it, but there's a caliper and there's a caliper. So clearly all of them aren't on it because 2 of them are in the trunk. So we'll have to figure that out. All right, so here's a bunch of interior stuff. I'm glad I got the cluster surround. Didn't know I had that. Yeah, it's like most of the interior is actually there. And then I found this piece that I think sits right here, right there, and that's what the bumper connects to. I'm pretty sure, like that. Yeah, the bumper can connect there. Pretty sure at least. These interior pieces really need to be cleaned up. Like these are very, very dirty. But I think we can clean that up. Definitely have the center console, and I found this. Now, what's that? It goes in there, so that opens up. Yeah, a lot of the interior is there, so that's good. All right, so I found the bolts that go to the door hinge, and I tried to thread it in and noticed that it's like pretty much stripped out in there. You see? Look at that. Yeah, that's probably why they're not in the first place. Yeah, and this one, you get like 2 turns on it, and now, yeah, you see what I mean? So, yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna put all of this because I don't even have any space right now. So, next video might be me installing this stuff back into the interior just so I don't have to store it. So, yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's the S2000. So, let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the interior back in probably next video so I can have some space, because right now I'm sitting on the hood of the 7. That's it. Appreciate y'all for watching. You know, I'm gonna try to put these videos out a little more frequently, you feel me? Yeah. So that's all I got for you. Appreciate you.